All right, here's the next problem. Here's the next problem. It says when zero point 0.5 grams of aluminum is added to zero point 0.1 liters of a 0.350 molar solution of copper nitrate, copper metal precipitates. The equation for the reaction is blah. Okay. Now, first thing they're asking is what's the limiting reactant? So, which means we have to find moles of copper that precipitates based on the reactants and figure out which one is the limiting reactant, and that'll tell us the mass of copper. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 0.5 grams of aluminum and convert that into moles of aluminum. Molar mass of aluminum is 26.98 grams, and I have 3 moles of copper in the reaction for every 2 moles of aluminum. And I'm actually going to go straight to mass because it's just 1 mole conversion. What's the harm, right? 63.55 grams of copper over 1 mole of copper. So grams of aluminum cancel out. Oh, that's weird. Moles of aluminum cancel out. Moles of copper cancel out. That gave me 1.7665 grams of copper. I'm going to round to, if it's 7665, I'm going to round to 77 actually, which is slightly different from whatever this is. So that actually tells me I got the answer already, but you can't just stop there because you have to show me that you did the work because on a test you're not going to get that. Okay. So then we would do 0.1 liters. Remember, if you get volume and molarity, you should use that to get moles. So this is 0.100 liters of what? Copper nitrate. And this is also copper nitrate. Stoic units are super important. 1 liter, I know it's a pain, but they're important. Copper nitrate. Actually, it's kind of nice to cancel units out. I find satisfaction there. So we have 3 moles of copper for every 1 mole of copper nitrate. No, 3 moles of copper nitrate. 3 moles of copper nitrate. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And then I'm going to do the mass. Why not? Grams of copper over 1 mole of copper. Let's use black to cancel. Liters cancel. Moles cancel. Moles of copper cancel. Ooh, this gives me 2.22 grams of copper. No good. Too much copper, which indicates to me that this little treasure right here is my mass of copper that's produced, and that the reactant that produces that mass of copper, why didn't it change to green? I picked green. Hello. Okay. The reactant that produced the theoretical yield is my limiting reactant, which is aluminum. There we go, a little throwback to a limiting reactant problem.